Picture this, you are sitting at your desk, ready to deploy your latest application, and then boom, Docker is no longer supported. Use Podman instead. What's going on? Is Docker doomed? Believe it or not, IT teams across the globe are banning Docker from laptops and Kubernetes clusters. If you thought Docker was untouchable, think again. Today we are diving into why this seismic shift is happening, and trust me, it's not just about Kubernetes. Here's the deal, Kubernetes, the king of container orchestration, used Docker for years. But when Kubernetes dropped support for Docker in 2022, the dominoes started falling. Kubernetes wasn't ditching containers, it was ditching Docker's baggage. Kubernetes prefers lighter CRI-compliant runtimes like Containerd or CRI-O. And then there is Podman, a rising star in the container game. Unlike Docker, Podman works daemonless, it's rootless, and it's enterprise-friendly. Companies started asking, why stick with Docker when there's a better option? This isn't just about Kubernetes. Companies are outright banning Docker from laptops. Here's why. Docker costs money, and in the real world of open source tools, why pay? Plus, Docker's security model raises eyebrows. Its daemon runs as root, which is a big no-no for enterprise security teams. One developer shared their story. We got an email saying Docker was no longer allowed. IT said Podman's rootless containers were safer. I had to unlearn Docker overnight. Sounds familiar? Let's be honest, this shift is frustrating. Docker was easy, familiar, and everywhere. But Podman isn't a total stranger. Its commands are nearly identical to Docker's, making the transition smoother than you think. This isn't just a tool swap, it's a wake-up call for the container world. As the tech landscape evolves, even giants like Docker aren't immune. If you're in the DevOps world, now's the time to embrace change, or risk getting left behind. The world of DevOps is changing fast. What do you think about the Docker to Podman shift? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights.